Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the basics are up to date. Open Razer Synapse to confirm firmware and driver updates, because newer firmware can unlock better amp profiles. Once done, set Windows Master and app volumes to 100% so the device can receive full signal. Then disable Windows audio enhancements like loudness equalization or spatial normalization, because those processes can clamp peaks and reduce perceived volume. This sequence ensures the headset receives a clean, maximum-level signal before any software amplification. Next, optimize Razer Synapse settings for louder output. You should enable the headset's internal volume boost or amplifier profile inside Synapse rather than using system-level gain, because device-side boost preserves dynamic range. Once inside the EQ, gently lift the 2 to 8 kHz band to increase presence and perceived loudness, and slightly cut sub-bass to avoid headroom clipping. Also, make sure surround or virtual THX modes aren't compressing peaks. Toggle them to compare, because some spatial modes reduce peak volume. Finally, complete the process by addressing hardware limitations. If the headset still sounds quiet, add a USB DAC or external amp, because many gaming headsets need more power than a laptop USB port supplies. Test the headset with another source, mobile, console, or another PC, to isolate whether the problem is the headset or the original device. If you hear distortion after boosting, reduce software gain and inspect cables and ports. One key troubleshooting tip: when distortion appears, lower gain first. Distortion means you've hit the amplifier or driver limit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.